Hey girl, hey, welcome back to my channel where I help you look good, smell good, and follow Jesus. Today, honey, I am unboxing a perfume. I cannot believe it, girl. I have finally arrived to the land of luxury in this box. If you missed my last video where I was smelling samples for the very first time of luxurious perfumes, be sure to check that out and come back. But I have a package from Twisted Lily with my scent of choosing. I gave you guys an update in my shorts. If you missed it, I ranked all of the perfumes after coming out of that initial first smell shock. I found that I only liked one perfume, and that is the perfume that I'm going to be unboxing right now. I literally feel like a kid at a candy store. So when I tell you guys that this box has been sitting here waiting for this moment for 2 weeks, this is love, y'all, because I sure wanted to open this. This is my box, okay? Twisted Lily packaged this really, really well. Wasn't that satisfying? Girl, I love opening new packages. So on the side, you have a pull out drawer situation. It's got a little tab for you to pull it out. And on the front and the back of the package, you have this photo. It's the same photo on the bottle. The tassel is also plastic wrapped, and this bottle is beautiful. I actually really like the quality of it. The back of the box does have branding, by the way. So back to this bottle. It is so weighty. Like, it feels like it is filled up. It feels like it is high quality, which I've honestly never had packaging that felt this intentional. You know, I'm the newbie on the block, okay? I really loved the presentation of this. It was an experience, okay? So let's look at this sprayer. I tried to capture it. Girl, just know the mist is wide. It is a wide mist. Oh my goodness. What an experience, you guys. Now I'm going to tell you why I ended up ultimately choosing this perfume. So it is soft enough for me to wear it at nighttime. It is not overpowering. If I spray it on after the shower, I usually do shoulder to shoulder, okay, like 1 and 2, and that's good enough. When I do that, it is not super powerful, but it is fragrant enough to still leave its mark. My husband thought I was baking cookies. He was like, oh, you made some cookies? Like, no, that's me. That's me. So yeah, we have projection, but it sits close to the skin. It smells like a lemon pound cake cookie situation. It is a beautiful scent. I'm so thankful that this is my very first luxury fragrance. Like, I own her, girl. If you would like to shop Xerjoff, or if you are like me and you are on your fragrance journey, girl, I have a coupon code with Twisted Lily. It's on the screen, Asia 10. You can use that to save coin. And girl, I recommend this one. This right here, me and her, we finna vibe out. I don't care what season it is, okay? Special thanks to Twisted Lily for giving y'all a coupon code, but also for sending me this bottle. I'm super grateful. I do have a couple on my list of to tries that you guys left in the comments on my last video. So I will be doing like a round 2. We still searching for signature, okay? But she smells good. Now let me tell you how I layer her, because I have already found out how to wear it, okay? And it's really, really simple. Fenty's Butter Drop Vanilla Dream Whipped Body Cream. Girl, these two pair like a dream. And my only thing with this Fenty Beauty butter is that it honestly leaves the skin a little bit sticky, so I always go very light on it. I do not apply a whole bunch. So I'll hop out the shower, put on my lotion, okay, my moisturizing lotion, then I'll follow it up with a little bit of this, a tiny bit, like just enough. Then I go in with Lira directly on top. Girl, oh, it smells so good. That's my favorite layering combo right now with Lira. So if you are looking for a beautiful vanilla scent, one that will project without choking people, okay? You're still gonna be smelled, but it's not gonna choke people. It's very comforting, very cozy scent, but also can be a statement. Like, it is just the most beautiful vanilla. And I am not a vanilla person, because a lot of times, like, vanillas have a weird smell to them. This smells good. Oh, she is so pretty. Y'all, please get a sample. And then I want you to come back to the comments and tell me what you think. Oh, It has been fun, y'all. I am so happy that I get to express this side of myself on YouTube. I love fragrance. I am the unconventional one because a lot of things that these girls like, I don't like. I don't think they smell good. I don't rock with a lot of the popular scents. I think they stink. So I can provide a unique perspective because the stuff that I like, it has to have a subtleness to it. It can be projecting, but it can't be choking. It can't be too strong. I like things that are like, oh girl, I caught a whiff of you. What is that? And that is definitely Lira. She gives you that, oh girl, what is that? Hold on now. It's been fun hanging out with you guys. Make sure that you subscribe to get more videos that help you to look good, smell good, and follow Jesus. And I will catch y'all in my next video. Bye.